Aging impacts us basically by the fact that as we grow old, there is a decline in the physical abilities. So the biophysical abilities are affected. The biophysical impact on aging varies from individual to individual, some of which are inevitable, but a lot of which can be overcome through various strategies. The other area is the cognitive decline that happens, the cognitive decline due to the brain's activity, and this is partly due to the fact there is a decline in the production of synapses between neurons. And again, there are various strategies that we can use to overcome this decline. And third area in which it is affected is in our psychosocial aspects. So the psychosocial aspects are important parts of one's life, and as we grow old, we have issues in terms of integrating with other people's life. The lack of interaction can lead to isolation and solitude, and this needs to be addressed. And these are the significant impacts of aging on our lives. However, technology is there to help us. So, what are the innovative technologies that can help us in aging well? One of the significant areas is in telemedicine or telehealth. It is the ability to bring in experts from different areas in our lives to help us in our health and well being, including from medical attention to health and other areas that we need help in. The other area is now place of environment in which we live, and the use of smart home automation can tremendously help us age well, both for safety, security. This integrated system will help us in our independent living. The third area that where technology can help is in the use of wearable devices. So we have lots of devices that we can wear or apply to our body as we move through our daily life that can monitor and remotely alert healthcare professionals or family members of any medical emergency or physical emergencies. So the wearable devices is another technology that can be incorporated to help us in our healthy aging. So what is telehealth? So telehealth is the process in which we use technology, which is mainly video conferencing and including the smart wearing devices that can send data to our healthcare professionals. And this can help us in personalized care. It can also do symptom tracking based on our activity and also help with appointment scheduling and reminders and medication. So this has got tremendous role in helping us with our daily life as one of the big impact on aging is in our health. So what is smart home automation? So smart home automation is today there is a lots of technology that can help us with our homes. I've seen this with my friends, I've seen it with myself. So I use things like Google Home to manage certain things in my home. I can use voice control to help with the control of the lighting, climate, and also for security in terms of opening doors, closing doors, and even monitoring with video camera. So all these are possible. And the other thing is the use of voice commands to help us navigate through various technology and including the internet to help us to search for information, data, and help us grow. Wearable devices are devices that are either wear in the hand, around our waist, or around the chest that help us monitor our various activities. So this can be used for fitness monitoring to see our activity, our physical activity, our movement, and exercise. The other thing, using of accelerometers, we can detect falls. So if sudden rapid fall from a vertical to a horizontal position tells us there is a fall has occurred, it can alert individuals, healthcare professionals, family members, or even the emergency team for those who live alone. Again, it can also help with medication reminders. You can even do biometric tracking. Even blood sugar levels can be monitored by some of these new devices. So the wearable device is our own personalized device that is upon our body that we can monitor our health, our wellness, and even our biometrics from pulse rate, ECG, blood sugar levels that can then be used to alert us for any abnormalities, or even to alert our healthcare professional so that early intervention and even prevention can be done. The other big area in which our technology can help us is in social connectivity and cognitive stimulation. Today we have multiple sorts of platforms that uses technology, including generative AI. The technology can help us with video calls that we can see our friends or family and communicate, and this can remove the isolation and loneliness associated with independent living among the elderly. The other thing it can offer is online communities from which we can meet up with friends, people with similar interests, and share our experiences and share and engage with others. And this is a useful way of overcoming loneliness and help people keep engaged. The other important aspects and how especially generative AI can help is in the area of cognitive stimulation. So there are various platforms, including things like ChatGPT, that you can have a conversation with to help you uh, keep yourself engaged with your areas of interest. As these devices, they are chatbots that can engage in a conversation with you in a very personalized manner based on your interests and on your circumstances. So these are significant solutions for this big area of social connectivity and cognitive stimulation. In conclusion, embracing the future of aging is possible with the use of technology, and it helps us to be independent, empowering our elderly and our aging patients to live autonomously and independently safely. It also can improve well-being from both physical by monitoring our various biometrical markers to help us to detect early complications or early signs of disease, and help us also to engage in social well-being by engaging ourselves through meeting with communities online and also cognitively. Is also an important process by which technology can be used for caregiver support. When I talk about caregivers, I don't just mean family members, but also healthcare professionals can tap on this technology to help their patients age well and maintain good health.